Hi, everybody. So we're about to play with the virtual lab right now about a concept called Beer's Law. And I'm not going to go into exactly what that is. I'm going to have you play with it first. So the first thing, ignore this tab here called concentration. We're going to go right to this one called Beer's Law. Okay. And I just want to help you understand and navigate this. So first off, we have here a light source. You can change this or you can mess with the light source. I would just keep it there. And when you click on this, it produces a light beam. Okay, so that's the first thing here. And then what we have here is a vial that contains a solution that the light beam is going to travel through. Okay, and then we have a detector on this end. Okay, for that. So when you hit this detector, okay, produces a value, and it's got two modes. One is transmittance. So that's how much light makes its way through this vial right here. Okay, and that's recorded as this value transmittance. And then this absorbance, this is basically how much light does not make it through. So rather than how much transmits through, how much gets stuck inside here. Okay, and you can move this around like this. Okay, there's also this ruler here that allows you to measure the size of the vial, so you can test it when the vial is thin, or you can test it when the vial is wide. And we can look at transmittance and absorbance there. Okay. The next thing you can do is actually change what is inside the vial. We're going to do it that way. And we can choose all these different ionic compounds from cobalt nitrate all the way down to potassium permanganate. So let's say we chose potassium dichromate or potassium chromate there. Then we can actually run this exact thing here, but then we can change the concentration. So we're adding more solute to that, making it, we can think about it's just making it more dense with solute if you'd like. That's one way to think about it.